I recently went to a roast retreat in Ann Arbor, which got a bunch of like local roasters together and coffee people to kind of walk around, check out different roasters, try some new coffees, and I left with a bunch of sample bags that I haven't gotten through. And usually my grinder at home, I keep my gooseneck on at all times. Sometimes we do use this grinder for events. I need to like take it from here, so it's always easy to just have gooseneck on there, which is what we use for our business. But I really want to try some of the coffees that I got at Roast Retreat. So recently I was sent this grinder. We're gonna give it a little try today. I've made a couple pour overs with it, that's been great, but I want to try the espresso setting and taste some of these coffees. Great roaster, great people. Fast, so I certainly would change my grind setting to less than 3, but honestly, for a full, fair comparison, I'm gonna pull another shot. Gotta dial in. We're at 3, I think I wanna go down to 2. Messy cappuccino. Usually when I want to try a new coffee, we have to like take everything out, mess with everything, clean it all up, whatever. So this makes it nice to just like try a little kind of sample of a coffee and whip something up, pour over, or latte, cappuccino, whatever, just pull a shot and not have to worry about reconfiguring all my settings for our kind of everyday use. Thanks for making coffee with me. Let's debrief. I was really pleasantly surprised with this grinder. I think it's really nice, especially for the price point. Everything's really sleek, like the kind of magnetic feature, the stand, the travel case it comes with. I think it's gonna be really great for the holidays. If I wanna bring coffee to like family functions or relatives' houses, I don't have to bring like my really big, heavy, expensive equipment. It's a nice option for like traveling. When we first got our home coffee set up, We spent so much money on the machine itself. It took us a while to get a good grinder, and I feel like this would have been the perfect thing to have kind of in between. I'm also really looking forward to bringing it on the camper for our baristas to be able to try different coffees. Do I think it's something we would use in like everyday service? No. It's definitely more for like one-off cups here or there, not like volume, as I'm sure you could guess. But to not have to clear out our grinders or wait till after business hours to try different coffees or experiment, I think that would absolutely do the trick. So thanks for making coffee with me, and I'll see you next time.